Hello students, today we will discuss about solution. What is meant by the concentration of solution? The concentration of solution means the amount of solute present in a solution. To understand this, see here two beakers both containing sugar solution. In first beaker, the amount of sugar molecule is very less, while in the second beaker it contains large amount of sugar molecules. Therefore, the solution present in the first beaker, that is called dilute solution. If the amount of solute present in a solution in a lesser amount, that type of solution is called dilute solution. While if the solution containing more amount of solute, this type of solution is called concentrated solution. It means the concentration of solute is high, and in the dilute solution which is present in the first beaker, the concentration of solute is low. On the basis of this, we conclude that concentration of solution defined as the mass of a solute in grams present in 100 gram of solution. It means concentration is directly related with the mass of solute or volume of solute. This we can represent by using percentage. This percentage we can represent by using mass or volume. Hence, we have the formula for concentration of a solution is, we can find out the concentration of solution by using the formula concentration of solution is equals to mass of solute by mass of solution into 100. I told you we can represent it by using the percentage of mass or percentage of volume. If the solute is liquid dissolved in a liquid solution, then we use the concentration of solution by using volume and we can find out its percentage. Here, the mass of solution is mass of solute plus mass of solvent, because solution is formed when solute dissolved in solvent. Hence, mass of solution is mass of solute plus mass of solvent. One question is given, a solution contains 30 gram of sugar dissolved in 370 gram of water. Calculate the concentration of solution. In this question, mass of solute, sugar is solute dissolved in water. Hence, sugar is solute and water is solvent. Mass of solute given 30 gram, mass of solvent given 370 gram. By using these two, when we add these two, we get mass of solution is mass of solute plus mass of solvent. That is 30 plus 370, it is 400 gram. Now, by putting the value of these mass of solute and solution, we can find out the concentration of solution, because we know that concentration of solution is mass of solute by mass of solution into 100. Here mass of solute is 30 gram, mass of solution that is 400 gram into 100, and we get 7.5%. By this way, we can find out the concentration of solution in percentage. I hope you understand how we can find out the concentration. Few numericals are given in this chapter. You will try to do this numerical based on concentration of solution. Thank you.